Hi, this is a short demonstration of Azure functions with, with triggers and input-output bindings. Right now, as you see on the screen, we have a storage account container, springapp-files, and processed container, another container, um, and we have a storage configured for logging. So what exactly happens is if you upload an image, um, the Azure function gets kicked off, and it will process the image and creates a thumbnail of it, and saves it in a processed container, and we also log it into the storage queue. Let's try it out. So let's upload a picture. So for example, Explorer. Here we go. We got the processed image, and if we go and refresh this, we have a message in the queue. The image was processed. Now let's see what exactly is this. So if we download, okay, let's see the size instead of download. It is 5.55 KB, kib, sorry. That's the notation usually. So and the original image was 143.28 kib. So that's the difference. So our Java function has processed the image and created a thumbnail of it. That's it.